This is the logic we are going to use our line following robot. When the light falls on white surface, it gets reflected. When it falls on black surface, light gets completely absorbed. There is no reflection. This is the sensor model. It has two LED LDR sensor pair mounted on in front of robot. The light emitting diode is a semiconductor light source, and light dependent resistor is used here as a light sensor. It senses the reflected light, that is, light transmitted by the LED and reflected from the surface. If the surface is white, LDR will detect the light. In case the sensor is placed over a black surface, LDR cannot detect any light, as the black surface has absorbed all the light. See the picture. When the both sensors are on white surface, both motor will move forward. When the left sensor is on black line, the left motor will stop and right motor will move forward. This will make left turn. When right sensor is on black line, the right motor will stop and left motor will move forward. This will make right turn. The 10 kilo potentiometer and LDR basically is the voltage divider circuit. When the LDR detects the black line, it will receive less light intensity. It means LDR resistance increases. The result is the motor will turn slowly or stop. When the LDR on the white surface, it will receive maximum light intensity. It means LDR resistance decreases. The result, the motor will turn fast. The IC L293D is a motor driver IC used for boosting current levels and large enough to drive the DC motors.